Good afternoon, everyone. We're talking about the Google trade, and what are we going to point out is how we bought when they gap Google up. We purchased a 810 put on Google, and here Google hit a high on the open, and at the very same time, everyone, these contracts that close at 13:30 on Friday are entry level, which I will put over here. Here's on our entry level is we started buying three contracts at 920. We added two more when it came back. It made its high and it pulled back, and we added some more there. The total contracts that we have here was 5 and 5. That's a total of 10. What we did was on the way up, we sold 5 of them at 12.50, and the other 5 we exited at 14.40. This was the total cost. The total profit per trade, as it will clearly show you here intraday, is $3,830 or 39.81% in one day on Google. And that's the narration of this trade. The thing about it is that in the option pit, when they gapped this thing down to $8, that was $5.30. Yes, we paid up a little bit off of the low, but it was wholesale, and we knew when to sell half at 12.50 and the other half. That's in the video there. What I would like to point out very clearly is when it comes to trading options in the pit on the weekly, we have various services. We give you buying power, then we give you the market maker entry and exits. And once again, I'm going to recap the sell short on Google using our charting platform. It's a market maker platform. And we can clearly see that the high was 808 and we're $11.10 off of that high. When they put the low bottom in here at $8, they took the contracts from $8 back up to $14.60 above the close. And we cashed out. Once again, let it be clear, knowing when to exit is something that's huge. Let's go back and take a look at where we exited. If I double click on here, it'll bring up our trade thing. We exited right here at 14.40 on 5 contracts. At 14.40. That's 20 cents off of the high. But we took some profit off of the table there. That's what that equals. One thing I will say is that you can get lots of trades that we do with new people in the yearly school or the monthly programs we offer. But when you're in the monthly program, you're going to be getting trades that are done like this live, and nobody's going to deny that $3,800 profit intraday or 39.81% gain on Google. That's what you have looking forward. If you want that in your life, then sign up for the trial right now. We had other various traders outside of this group, that are veterans that have been around a long time. We don't post their stuff there. But for some of the newer people, we sold out at the high. They can still go higher. It's an identifying short gap. Mathematically, it did everything that we wanted. We went up 1.17 delta in our system. It's 47 cents per line. That was 18.68 1/16th movements. That equaled $8.70. And right now we're coming right back down. So everything that goes right back up is reversing. And that means that the bellwether leader is extremely overbought. And it has to come down, where other values on the call side will pay eventually. Once again, here is the intraday movement. 1106, 95 lows intraday, 84 highs on the open, which took the contract down to the low, and then we got executed.